Hello, everybody. My name is Padun Majoko. Uh, I just finished PSCAD online training with ELP under the tutorship of Satish, who is knowledgeable in as far as PSCAD is concerned. Uh, I don't hesitate to refer to someone who is obviously into electrical design or power systems studies to enroll with ELP. Uh, there are lecturers or tutors who are able to walk you through uh, all aspects of the PSCAD system, from the introduction, that is fundamental, to advanced level. Uh, we can talk of EMT simulation, simulation and set flow or workflow, or we can talk of load flow modeling in techniques, breaker and fault modeling. We can talk of cable and tower modeling, transmission line modeling, TOV and SOV studies and modeling. We can also talk of even lightning studies and Sage Arrester EFD models. I don't hesitate to refer anyone to contact ELP uh, for further details or how the tutorship goes through. I thank you.